Presenting the Vivo Y22. The phone has display of 16.63 centimeters, 6.55 inches. The phone also has HD+ LCD display. It has 50MP plus 2MP rear camera. It has 8MP selfie camera. It comes with 5000 mAh battery. It has 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. It also features rear camera, front camera, and fast charging. The delivery box contains model Y22 documentation, USB cable and USB power adapter. SIM eject tool, phone case and protective film, applied. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.